My experience with my executive MBA at SP Jain was truly transformative. It was not just an academic learning, but it really reshaped and provoked me to think in a very strategical way. At the same time, it also helped me in carving out the leadership skills that I have. This entire MBA program was rigorous but very practical. It helped me to boost my confidence. It helped me to understand how do I apply all these modules into my real life. I was able to apply all the learnings that I have learned from the modules on an immediate basis to my daily office work and to my personal life as well. Come with open mind, because the concept of unlearn and learn will really help you in this program. Even though where I was starting my MBA journey, I felt that I know about this particular concept. But when the module started, when the professors taught me, I was able to actually relate that it's not only about understanding, it was beyond that. How do I use those concepts in my normal BAU activities or in my personal life? How am I able to apply that? So the only message is just come with open mind, and then you learn with the professor's help and the group projects. Come prepared, because this is a very rigorous course, but trust me, you would be able to meet different people from different skills, sectors and skill set. You would have group projects, you would have individual projects. So it will really bring that confidence in you and will shape the leadership qualities in you.